What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to Crypto Moon, and today we're going to talk about another high potential project called ARize. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado, let's begin to our topic. ARize is a metaverse-ready marketplace for virtual goods. A singular destination for all your digital asset needs. ARize is the leading destination to discover and purchase virtual goods for the metaverse. They are working towards having a big database of all sorts of content, from spaceships, all the way to realistic desks, home appliances, characters, and many more. Their mission, to truly democratize technology and content in a way that the creators are fairly compensated and the business and users have access to high-quality experiences. Their vision, to provide a content layer across the metaverse with the goal of accelerating its mass adoption. Founded in 2018, ARize has established itself as a supercharged leader in the 3D and AR commercial space. Providing accessible and uncomplicated services for blockchain users looking to create their own offerings, whether through NFT or the creation and maintenance of your own unique metaverse. Their platform has a unique ability to connect 3D creators to businesses, in order to create enhanced 3D experiences to be shared with their audiences effortlessly, across all devices available in the market, without having to download a specific app or integrate any special technology. Their unique 3D NFT marketplace connects 3D creators to businesses, and provides businesses with state-of-the-art 3D streaming technology. 3D NFT creators can easily upload and mint NFTs connected to their asset or full-blown experiences at a touch of a button, whilst sharing and selling their work through their marketplace. They are here for any businesses wanting to take their product offering to a whole new visual level by including 3D, AR, VR, or customized fully-blown 3D experiences. ARZ Token is the fuel of ARize ecosystem, powering all the possibilities of the 3D NFT marketplace, and is serving as a token to access the streaming tech. Earn lucrative staking rewards and platform perks. Fund 3D NFT art and participate in resale royalties and per-view royalties. Get access to exclusive 3D NFT drops, and access to ready-to-use metaverse templates created by the community or ARize team. ARZ token holders will participate in platform governance as a ARZ token holder. The roadmap. Q1 2022, ARZ token launch. Growing the ARize team, the ARize Talent Hub, ARZ token launch, and launching of staking pools. Q2 2022, platform commencement. Launching of staking tiers and perks, platform launch, 3D/AR NFT minting, launch of the ARize marketplace, and metaverse templates. Q3 2022, enhancing the ARize ecosystem. Community token rewards, Ethereum bridge for ARize token, partnering with the leading NFT and blockchain projects, and curated collections and mini metaverse NFT galleries. Q4 2022, full platform launch. Full launch of the ARize platform, launch of the ARize content library, hiring framework for businesses and creators to request and offer services, and buy and sell content with ARize token. Q1 2023, Metaverse Editor launch. Here are the partners and backers. Camera Paytory Ventures, Master Ventures, IX Panthers, LVT Capital, and many more. And here are the team of ARize. Arian Behzadi, CEO. Arian has 10+ years of experience in the XR industry. He is responsible for coordinating with all the team members, strategic partnerships, putting out fires, putting out crazy ideas to do, and pushing everything forward. Thomas Mahoney, COO. Over 17 years of B2B and B2C marketing experience, specialization in marketing and brand management, employer branding management, as well as social media platforms, commercial partnerships and operations. Anna Berlinska, CSO. Specializing in powering business growth, Anna carries many years of experience in various tech industries ranging from digital tech companies to iGaming to blockchain. Mohammad Mahdi Kermani, Chief 3D Technology Officer. 14 years of experience in software engineering for various software and games on both mobile and PC, with a focus on the design and functionalities of the productions, especially in gameplay and other attractions related to the game. And many more. Let's take a look at ARize Twitter page. They started their official page back at July 2016 and have 25.4k followers. And here are the pinned tweet of ARize on Twitter. The moment we began to research ARize, we knew we had found something special. And that's all for ARize. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon. Thank you for watching.